Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit your videos in CapCut PC when you are offline or doesn't have any internet connections. So as you guys can see here, I have no internet access now, and here I'm going to try edit my videos on CapCut PC when I am offline. So let's click on the project first. Okay, I'm going to just find one. Okay, so I've already find what I want to edit, and here you can see the video under the basic. You can still do some of the adjustment in here, some of the editing. For example, I'm going to adjust the scale, or maybe I'm going to, let's try go to speed. Okay, I still can adjust the speed of my video even though I'm offline. And let's go to the CapCut stock materials, or the library, CapCut library here. You can see it's loading, but I don't think it will work because it needs to download, or it needs some internet connection. Okay, so it doesn't show up. So if you want to edit you can see no internet connection, so I cannot find the materials in here. Let's try animation. Okay, I still can add animations to my video. So there are still lots of things that you can do on the CapCut PC when you are, but uh, you cannot find the materials from the CapCut library. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.